Hi friends, welcome to Jayashree Narayanan Creations. Happy Onam to you all. So Onam special நம்ம இந்த tutorial பார்க்க போது ஒரு interesting ஆன peacock tray. So let's get started. The materials required are wooden bark from coconut tree, Fevicryl molded clay, Fevicryl pearl colors green and blue, fabric glue, Fevicryl glitter liners and cone liners, kundan stones, peacock feather, rhinestones. Now let's paint the wooden bark with pearl green and pearl blue. So let us use a sponge for dabbing the colors onto the wooden bark. Let us mix these two compounds in equal proportion by touching little powder in the palm and to get a white dough. After mixing, now the dough is ready. Now let us make the head, the beak and the body of the peacock. So roll it, then from one side slowly you press it like this. Make it into a elongated teardrop or a carrot shaped. After this, slowly you elongate the clay into a slender shape like this and put it around the index finger like this. So you get the body, the neck and the head of the peacock. Now for the beak, give a small press over here and sideways, then the center, sides and the center. Now the peacock's head, beak and the neck is ready along with a little portion of the body. So now let us make a impression for the eyes. You can just make a mark over here at the side, one side. Repeat the same thing on the other side also. This has to dry. We will be keeping this on the wooden bark, this pointed little closed end of the wooden bark. The peacock shaped clay will be placed over here. Okay, now let it dry. In the meantime, we will decorate the wooden bark. Now for the decoration, we need kundan stones, the colors of course of your choice. Cut a lengthy strip of the running stones. Now start applying the glue. Place the running stones. Instead of these running stones, you can use glitter stones or the ball chain. That's one's own creativity. The decoration should be carried out only at the sides of the bark. Now one side, this is over. Same way you need to do it on the other side also. Apply fabric glue at equal intervals and start fixing the stones. These stones can be of green or red or golden yellow or even blue also you can use. Okay, now after fixing the stones, using the glitter liner, draw a line outer to this. Here I am using a green color glitter. Just squeeze the liner. Now once this is done, using the cone liner. Once again, here I am going to use only green color. So for the small feathers on the body of the peacock, to denote that, let us draw the pattern, a comma stroke. Okay, now we have done with this. After that, if you want to keep some stones or any other decorative things also, you can carry out that. Now we will keep this aside and start with the coloring on the peacock body. Now let's load the brush with pearl blue. Leave the beak. The rest of the clay should be painted with blue and green pearl color. Okay, now this is done. Now for the beak, let us paint it with red color. After this dries, you can keep 2 dots of white for the eyes. where we have marked the impression. Now the beak is also colored. Now using glue, you need to fix it over here. Now let us first place it, position it first, and then we will apply the glue. Now the front side is over. Now towards the end, the other end of the wooden bar, we need to fix the real feather. Collect feathers like this. Apply little glue here. Insert the feather like this. Place one more like this, and you need to place the other one at the other side. So like that, place 3 numbers towards the tail. So friends, now this peacock tray is over. We have done the decoration, we have done the face and other body portion with the clay. Then towards the end, we have attached the real feathers also. Now to fill in over here, you can either keep sweets like this, or you can use it as a puja holder where you can keep the flowers and offer to God. So happy Onam to you all once again, dear friends. Enjoy this Onam with this beautiful creation of this peacock tray.